Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Speak English Flow. I am Moheen, and today I want to tell you a story, a very real story, a story about silence. Not normal silence, but awkward silence. That moment when you are talking and suddenly nothing comes out. Your mind goes empty. Your heart feels a little nervous. But don't worry. In this episode, you will learn simple English and also learn what to say in those quiet moments. So next time, you don't feel stuck. Are you ready? Let's begin. Hey, Emma. How's your morning going?
Pretty good. I had a nice cup of coffee, so I feel alive now. What about you?
Same here. Coffee is my best friend in the morning. Without coffee, I think I only say, and oh.
That sounds like awkward silence already.
Exactly. That's our topic today.
Yeah, awkward silence. That moment when you want to say something, but nothing comes out.
Your brain just stops,
Completely stops.
and you're just standing there, smiling, for no reason.
Yes, that fake smile. I remember something like this. It was last month.
Oh, tell me.
I was at a small cafe. I met a new person.
Okay, normal situation.
I said, "Hi, nice to meet you."
Good start.
He said, "Nice to meet you too."
Still good?
And then, nothing.
No way.
Yes, just silence. We both looked at each other.
What did you do?
I smiled.
Of course.
He smiled too.
Double smile. No words.
Exactly. It was so awkward.
I had something similar.
Really?
Yeah, in an elevator.
Oh no, elevator silence is the worst.
I said, hi.
And?
He said, hi.
Let me guess. Silence again?
Yes. Just the sound. Bing. Bing.
That is painful. Why do you think this happens?
I think it's fear.
Fear of what?
Fear of saying something wrong.
Yes, especially for English learners.
They think too much.
Is my grammar correct? Is my sentence okay?
And while they think,
Silence grows.
bigger and bigger.
Yes. Okay, let's help people now.
Yes. Very simple tips.
You can ask something simple.
Like, where are you from?
Or, do you like this place?
Easy questions. No stress.
Talk about what is happening now.
Nice weather today.
This cafe is quiet.
I like this music.
Small sentences, but helpful.
Sometimes you can say, this is a little awkward.
That's actually funny.
Yes, it breaks the tension.
People relax. Let's try a small practice.
Okay, let's go. Hi, I'm Moen.
Hi, I'm Emma.
So, do you like coffee?
Yes, I love coffee.
Me too.
This place is nice.
Yeah, very calm.
That was not too awkward.
We are improving.
Can I say something real?
Of course.
I still feel awkward sometimes,
Me too.
even when speaking English.
Yes, it never fully goes away.
And that's okay.
I think we don't need perfect English.
Yes, we just need courage.
And simple words.
Real words. So next time, when you feel awkward silence,
Don't panic.
just smile
Ask a small question.
or say something simple.
You are learning.
And that is enough. Thank you so much for listening.
We hope this helps you feel more confident.
And we have a question for you.
Yes?
What do you say when there is awkward silence?
Write your answer in the comments.
We want to read your ideas.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.